Hello everyone, in this episode, this car is about to make me violently sick. I'm gonna vomit! Oh dear, look at the state of it. And I find a pen. There's a pen! Oh, keeping that. Nice. There's another pen! Brilliant. Keep those. Better clean them, I suppose, isn't it? And get new gloves. Look at this. Oh, what am I doing? So check out this Fungus infected car. Seat belts full of fungus. Check the rear seats out. Oh man, look, fungus. Roof lining, dirty. I don't know what that is, but check that out. Fungus galore. Look at that. I'm not looking forward to this one. Oh goodness me. Let's see, can I transform it? So there we have it. After 3 hours of hard labour, here are the results. Not 100%, but it looks lovely. A shed load better than it was before. No more grease on the driver's seat. No dodgy muck on the dashboard there. The floor and the seats are free of mildew and fungus, and they smell as fresh as a daisy. Lovely, isn't it? I tried to do this just with normal cheap household products, so it won't cost the earth to get these wonderful results. Just loads of elbow grease. Do stick around for some nice before and after pictures, and please do like and subscribe. See you soon, everybody.